that dog doing over there?
Let me think, buddy. Hey! Yeah, shit.
What?
Just throw in the dirt.
I'm gonna quit.
What do you think I'm trying to help you with? And all you're doing is going back and forth for a cigarette.
I'm not gonna do it.
Why don't you just listen to me when I tell
just
you
give
no?
it to Victoria, look. That's mine.
Make a pile of dirt and he'll throw it somewhere else. Sit next to him, babe. No, on that side of him.
What?
Right there, where his feet at. Scoot in more, towards
No,
him.
he's gonna throw it at me.
Go in towards him.
Debbie, what's my number? The number you dial. Okay, wait, what?
I got my phone turned back on the 17th. It's been off for like 4
Where's my dog, babe? Kayla!
Is she over there with them?
Yeah. Kayla, be nice!
He's going for the doll. Watch him. Your son made a new friend! Victoria! Your son made a new friend.
Oh, got a girlfriend! I know, right? His tongue's out. He's like,
Dante! Look at him! Oh my god! Look, Dante! Dante. Kayla! No!